Hey retro food fans, today we're going back to the 1950s and I'm going to share with you some of my family food history. We're going to make a pie that you are going to love. Let's get started. Hey everyone, this is YesterKitchen and I'm Jill. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm going to share some of my food history with you, my personal food history. So I had a grandma, my grandma Ann, who sadly is no longer with us, but she used to make a pineapple chiffon pie. Oh my God, that's what we're going to make today. I just have so many memories. This pie is fabulous. It's light, it's airy, and it's very, very pineapple-y. So my grandma lived a plane ride away, so we didn't get to see her very often, but every time she came to visit, my mom would always make her, ask, beg for one of these pies. She loved it, and she didn't always share with us. So when I got older, well, she shared a little bit, but when I got older, I learned how to make this pie. I actually got her exact recipe, and I've made it several times, and it's just glorious. And it's not super sweet, it's not super dense, it's perfect. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need a baked pie shell. This is the kind that already comes in the pie plate. It's frozen, you just stick it in the oven, 10 minutes, I think 12 minutes. Package directions, use them, and it's done. I'm using this today because I love easy. But you can also get the kind that's already pre-rolled and put it in your own pie plate, or you can make your own crust, which I will do one of these days, but not today. Today we're gonna go easy. So we've got our pie shell, it is baked, it is cool, and we're putting it aside. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to separate 4 eggs. I've already done 3 of them. Take a look. So we've got our whites here, our yolks here. But I know a lot of times people ask how to separate an egg. So I'm just going to show you really quick. So I'm just going to crack it over the white bowl. Uh-oh. So sometimes this happens, and actually this is great. My hands are impeccably clean. So all you're going to do is just pour that egg right in your palm of your hand. Make sure your hands are impeccably clean as well. And then all the egg white goes into our little bowl, and you're left with an egg yolk that goes in there. Easy peasy. The other way I do it, and I'll put a video up here for where I've done it before. I can't do it right now because the shell's broken, but you kind of go back and forth until all the whites are out. But anyway, check out that video and you'll see how to do it. Okay, so we're gonna take our whites and put them aside because we're gonna make a meringue out of that in a minute. We're gonna take our heat source. It's like a small to medium pan. And you're gonna have this on medium-low because you really don't wanna scramble your eggs. And the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pour your egg yolks, whoa, a little hot, right in the pan, along with a half a cup of sugar. And you do want this on low, mine's a little high. And a quarter teaspoon of salt. And you just wanna cook that really quick, and it's gonna firm up very quickly. You want to stir it really fast so you don't get scrambled eggs. You actually do get custard. And then you're going to just kind of remove it from your heat source. And stir it a little bit and it'll thicken up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a can of crushed pineapple right there and drain it. Well, it's drained. And in it goes. And then you want to just kind of mix all this glorious stuff together. And you're just really making a pineapple custard. And now we're gonna do this whole stir thing again, and we're gonna let it thicken up just a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. This is something you want to stir constantly. And you really wanna try to drain your pineapple as well as you can because the added juice will it's not gonna hurt it. So if you have a little bit of juice, don't worry about it. But it just doesn't solidify enough to make a custard, which is actually totally fine. This is really a recipe that you can't mess up. So take a look. Here is our pineapple custard. And as you can see, there's no cornstarch in it, so it's not super thick, but when the eggs cook through and mix with the pineapple, it gets a little thick. And now you want this thing to cool down completely. So what do we do while it's cooling down? We make our meringue. So I'm gonna just take this, get it out of the way, and bring in our bowl. Okay, this is super easy. You have the 4 egg whites that we separated out. And we're just gonna mix those until loose peaks, soft peaks form. So I'm gonna say it's gonna go about 7, 8, 9 minutes. You never know. I'll be right back and let you know, but take a look. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. This is soft peaks. See, they're there, they're happy, they're playful, but when you really pull it up, yeah, they do hold, but they kind of flop over. So now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar, and you're gonna beat again until stiff peaks form, and that's like lemon meringue pie meringue. Like, you know, you kind of bring it up and it stays, and it kind of looks like cute little waves. So let's go do that. Here goes our 1/4 cup of sugar. And let's mix again, and you wanna mix on high. Let's do it. Okay, so here's our stiff peaks. See, they're more silky, they're more soft, and as you pull them up, that little peak there stays. Okay, so here's our beautiful meringue. We're gonna wait for our pineapple custard to completely cool down. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So it's been about an hour in the fridge, and let's take a look at our pineapple custard. See, our 4 egg yolks, a little sugar, a little salt, and some drained crushed pineapple, and you get this glorious mixture. And you want it cold. So now we've got our meringue. Remember our meringue? Hello, meringue. And you're gonna fold your custard into your meringue. Folding, take a look. You want to put a little bit in and just kind of fold. You're kind of taking some meringue from the bottom and folding it over your ingredients. You don't want to stir because it will deflate your meringue. And the whole point of putting all this time into the meringue is to keep it fluffy. So we're just gonna put a little more in. I'm getting so excited, guys. This pie, oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, let's just put the rest in there. All of it. And you just keep folding and keep folding until it's all completely incorporated. And so I'm just going to go for a few more minutes. Bring the meringue that pushes up the sides down. And the whole key to this thing is gentle, 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 gentle. Okay. That'll about do it. Now, we're going to take our pie crust. And you're just going to put it in. Look at that. And after you put it in the pie crust, it's going to go back into the fridge for a couple hours because you want it completely chilled. Now, of course, since you mixed in the custard with the meringue, you're not going to get those little peaky things from that you would like in a lemon meringue pie. But look at that. That's it. So I know you want to see the inside of it, and I know I want to taste it. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the fridge, and we'll be back in a couple hours when it is ready to eat. Okay, it has been 2 hours, and I've been watching baking shows. Like, seriously, when it comes to TV, for me, it's either food, comedy, or travel, and that's it. I don't watch anything else. Drives my husband crazy. What do you guys watch? Tell me. Anyway, here's our pie. It is glorious. I'm so excited. So when you've got this pie, yeah, it looks eggy. It's supposed to. So don't worry. This is exactly what your pie is supposed to look like. And it is just, oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So we're definitely cutting into it. Now, it's a very loose pie. So don't think it's like a solid custard or something like that. It's a chiffon pie, so it's super loose and super good. Take a piece. There we go. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And there's the inside. See, it's regular, your average little pie. Just a perfect homemade, non-professional, anyone could do it pie that you're gonna love. I know we rarely do this because I know the recipes are good, but I can't help myself. It's so good. It's light, it's airy, and it is full of pineapple. Try some of my history. Give it a try. Make it for your family. You are gonna love this. I would love to hear about your family recipes, so if you have any, please send them my way along with the stories. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood, or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every Friday. In the meantime, here's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish, even my history, pineapple chiffon pie, has a story. I'll see you in the next video.